Hi, I'm Kristen Lowe. As a family law attorney, I've seen many people begin their divorce unprepared for what they're about to experience. If you are in the position of contemplating a divorce, or you think that divorce is inevitable, make sure you follow the following 5 tips before you ever think about filing for divorce. First and foremost, it's important that you gather up all the important documents. You need to make sure your birth certificate, your passport, and your social security card are safe and out of the house. And I do mean out of the house. I don't mean in another room, I don't mean in your car, and I don't even mean at your workplace. You really need to make sure that it's safe and sound at somebody else's house or in a lockbox somewhere. You also need to be making photocopies of every important financial document that you can think of. That includes your tax returns, your bank records, and your credit card statements. When in doubt, copy it. I know it's a lot of work, but believe me, you'll thank me later on. Second, you need to take every step possible to protect your privacy. Make sure you change your password on your laptop, on your Facebook account, on your email. Everything you can think of that requires a password, change it. Even if you think your spouse doesn't have it, make sure you do so anyway. And on that note, if you have a joint or shared cell phone plan, make sure you open up your own account and make sure you store away those cell phone records. I can't tell you how many clients have been disappointed to find out that their ex-spouse has been spying on them by reviewing their cell phone records and knows exactly where they've been and who they've been calling. You don't need that added stress right now. Third, you need to research your insurance policies. Specifically, you need to know when your auto insurance policy lapses, and you need to have a copy of the policy. You need to make sure that your life insurance beneficiaries are unchanged, and you need to know what's out there. And you need to know the limits of your health insurance, especially if you're covered by your spouse right now. You need to look into the fact of whether or not your employer can contribute to your health insurance plan, because that's inevitable that in the divorce you'll need to get your own insurance. Fourth, you need to map out a budget. I need you to really be honest here. You need to lay out exactly how much it's going to cost for you to live and how much money you need to get by and support yourself and your children. Remember that you cannot rely on your spouse's income. You need to rely on yourself. If that means taking out a loan from your parents or a friend, taking an advance on a credit card, or simply stashing away some money in a bank account, do it and do it now. Finally, I want you to go see an attorney. I didn't say to hire an attorney. I said to consult with an attorney, no strings attached. You need to really make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. You need to understand the legal ins and outs of your case, and you need to understand what your legal strengths and weaknesses are. In other words, you need to be prepared about what you're going to face. Again, please follow these 5 tips before ever starting your divorce. If you have any further questions, please visit me at KristenLoweLaw.com. Good luck in resolving your family law matter. I'm Kristen Lowe.